We're still working with Word Module 9, the textbook project. This will not be submitted in Cengage SAM MindTap. This will be submitted strictly through Blackboard. So you'll be opening 9-3 and then saving it as Raising Workshop Prices. So you're going to select where it has equation 1 at the bottom of the screen. But be careful because you, again, don't want to select the paragraph symbol, just equation 1 and press delete. And we're actually going to insert an equation in here, and I think we did this once briefly before. So we'll click the insert symbol. We're not going to click the down arrow because we want the entire equation ribbon to show, so I'm going to click equation, and now it's all the ribbon based on the equation. And we want to go to fraction, and we're going to choose the stacked fraction, and it's very small to see, so if you want you can increase it to like 160. And then if you click the first part, which is the top half, the numerator, we're going to put in a symbol in here, and you'll need to click in the symbols category, choose more for more options, and it usually opens up at basic math, but you want to select Greek letters, and then you can see some of the symbols for the basic math. But I'm going to go to Greek letters, and the one that they want us to select is the delta symbol. So it's uppercase, so click the delta, and then you'll type the letter Q, and then to get to the numerator you can click the bottom shaded box or press your down arrow, and this will be capital Q, and then use your right arrow followed by the equal sign, and we need another stacked fraction, so click fraction, stacked, and in the top half it'll be 100. You don't need to press spacebar, just press the minus over on the number keypad, and 40, and then the down arrow 100, right arrow equals another stacked fraction, and the numerator is 60, and the down arrow denominator is 100. Now to select the entire equation that you just created, click these three dots and it selects everything. Go to the Home tab, increase the size to 14, and change the shading to green accent 6 80%. And you'll save and submit this. Thank you.